everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In the Windows search bar, type RDP and press enter. Now enter your RDP credentials. If you want to save your credentials, check the box below. To save this as an RDP file, click the Save As option. Now save this file to the location of your choice and give it an appropriate name. You can see that your RDP file is now ready for connection. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.